Stop building a second job for yourself and start building an empire. In 2026, the real wealth is made by the orchestrators, the people who own the systems, not the people doing the manual labor. Most entrepreneurs are trapped in a cage of their own making because they are trying to manage every lead, every post, and every client inside their own heads. This mental clutter is the silent killer of growth. That is why I found a highly effective solution, a professional command center that acts as the central nervous system for your business. It manages your clients, your sales pipeline, and your entire viral content strategy in one single place. It works flawlessly across all your devices, iPhone, Android, and laptop, saving your data locally for total privacy while allowing you to export everything to Google Sheets or Excel whenever you need. Best of all, there is a free version available so you can stop the chaos today. Here are 5 high-leverage projects you can launch right now using this system to act as a manager, not a worker, backed by real-world success stories. First is AI-powered SEO content agencies. Instead of writing articles, you manage a team of AI tools and editors to provide high-ranking content for blogs. Real-world agencies are currently charging $3,000 a month per client to handle their organic growth. With the 80 professional AI prompts built into this system, you can generate high-converting outlines and strategies in seconds, making you the most efficient manager in the room. Second is Faceless motivational channels. You can build a massive audience on YouTube and TikTok by curating powerful speeches and cinematic visuals without ever showing your face. Look at the channel Lionel Scott. He reached millions of subscribers and built a massive brand by mastering the art of curation and viral hooks. This system includes a viral growth engine that gives you the exact structures needed to hit the algorithm and reach millions of viewers every single week. Third is short-form content repurposing. Thousands of podcasters and streamers have hours of footage they aren't using. You offer a service to cut that footage into viral shorts for Reels and TikTok. Real-world creators in this space are charging $2,000 per month per client for this hands-off service. Having a command center on your phone allows you to track multiple client projects and delivery dates without ever losing a file or a deadline. Fourth is digital lead generation for niche contractors. You build simple websites that attract leads for specific services like luxury pool builders or custom cabinet makers, and sell those leads to local businesses. For example, the founders of HomeAdvisor turned this simple model into a billion-dollar industry. This system gives you over 270 viral content ideas to ensure your lead gen sites stay at the top of the search results and keep your clients happy. Fifth is personal brand architecture for founders. Many successful entrepreneurs have incredible stories but zero presence on LinkedIn or X. Professional Ghost-strategists are currently charging up to $10,000 a month to build these founders into industry icons. This system allows you to manage their entire content calendar and sales scripts from your laptop or phone, giving you the power to build their authority while you maintain your freedom. You don't need more grind, you need more leverage. This system is the bridge between being a stressed freelancer and a professional business owner, whether you want to be the face of your brand or stay completely invisible behind the scenes. I have linked the free version in the description so you can feel the shift in clarity for yourself. But if you are ready to kill your monthly subscription costs and own your business infrastructure forever, the Pro version is the only investment you will ever need to make. Your data stays private, it stays on your device, and it follows you wherever you go. Grab your system, pick one of these 5 leverage-based models, and start building your future today. The system is ready. Are you?